Hello, how are you today? Today we are going to talk about the goals, your goals, the goals you have around your business. It can be your personal goals or professional goals. As long as you got the goals, not from outside in, from inside out. You must be working from inside out, not from outside in, from the environment, the family, the friends, or whatever happening around the world. Your goals must be coming from inside out. Something you want to create, something you want to have, something makes you happy, something inspires you as your purpose. So we are trying to build the business here. So as you know, everything works according to the laws and your own mind. You have to know your own mind. You have to know the laws if you are working around the goals. So today we're going to talk about the law of vibration. Do you know everything you are attracting according to the vibration? How you can tell and what sort of vibration you are living day to day, and how you can tell if you are in a right vibration, the beliefs or the thinking. What are you thinking, and what are you attracting around your goals? How can you tell? And most of the time, we think I got a lot of information and I know everything, but it's more on a deeper level how the vibration works. It's not intellect level. You it's a more than that. So let's start talking about introducing myself and my mentors. Then I'm going to talk about the how uh, how you can tell you are entertaining the right thought, and and whatever you thinking, how you can tell you are thinking the right according to your goals, and you are impressing the right information around your goals. So how can you tell? Not from your intellect level, deeper level. So let's find about that. And let me introduce my mentors. My mentors are Bob Proctor and Sandy Gallagher. And my mentor, Bob Proctor, he taught this information all around the world, the CEO, the airlines, the insurance companies, or if you just staying home, just like me. So that does not really matter as long as you got the goals, you got the right goals, not any goals I'm talking about here. I'm talking your purpose, your inspiration, your creativity. So my mentors is Bob Proctor. He was in the Secret movie. If you haven't watched the Secret movie, you have to watch the Secret movie. You are missing something, because it is all about law of attraction, how the law of attraction works. And let me introduce myself. My name is Anita Bansal. I am consultant of Thinking to Result. My mentors Bob Proctor and Sandy Gallagher. I was looking for my purpose, and took me more than 30 years. And don't get scared. You don't have to take that long. If you are looking for your purpose, something you wanted to do, this information going to on the fast track, and definitely going to help you. And of course, I have found my purpose, and this is what I love doing, helping other people finding their purpose. And this is what I love doing. This is what inspires me. This is what makes me happy. And today I'm going to talk about how you can tell you are entertaining the right idea, you are entertaining, impressing the information in the subconscious mind according to your goals, and alignment of your goals. How can you tell? You might be thinking, I got a lot of information. You have gathered in intellectually, and you might be thinking about that. I know a lot of information, and I have done so many courses, and I have done so much, and I know a lot of information. I know everything, but but it just doesn't work just knowing it. It is more than that. You have to know on a subconscious level. How can you tell the subconscious level? What are you entertaining and what are you thinking? And are you alignment with your goals? What are you trying to impress in your subconscious mind? You can tell, not intellectually. Of course, you have to know intellectually, but what are you entertaining, the idea, the formation around your goals. You can tell from your emotions. You can tell from how you are feeling. If you're not feeling good, if you're entertaining the formation through your feelings, negative according to the laws, universal laws, either negative or positive, if we are subconsciously, our feelings is that is what we are impressing in our subconscious mind. That is the vibration we are, and it hasn't changed. This is what we are impressing it day and night and thinking about it. If you are thinking about emotionally, that is what vibration you are. And emotionally, that is what you are attracting, everything according to that. You have to change the emotions. You have to change the feeling. Of course, you know it intellectually what you want, uh, what information you want to impress it. If your emotions are not changed, your feelings are not changed, nothing is changing. And your information is just like the seed. The seed hasn't gone in the soil to grow. The seed is only on the surface. On the seed staying on the surface not gonna grow. The seed must go in the soil, hidden before it comes out as a grown. Same process, if the formation not impressed properly in the subconscious mind, and it cannot be planted, it cannot start to give a new birth, new change the vibration, and that only going to happen through the formation. You do need the right formation, then you have to impress it all the time to change that vibration. If the vibration is not changed, nothing going to change. Doesn't matter how much intellectually you knowing it, but if it's not impressed in your subconscious mind, your emotions are not changed, your vibration not changing, it's nothing changing. It's sad to know that. And you maybe you have gathered the information. How many years you have been gathering the information? Gathering the information is not the key. Impressing the what you want according to your goals and your seeds as your goals is the right answer. So people not aware of that. 99% people are not aware of it, only 1%. I was not aware of it. Now I'm very much aware of it. I'm always watching my emotions. Oh, emotions are like it's like a roller coaster, it is 1 minute we feel like this, 1 minute we feel that, and it's always like on the roller coaster and up and down, up and down. So this is what we need to change. I have been changing it, but still I'm going on the roller coaster sometime. But as long as you are aware of it, that is the most important. Once you are aware of it, and then you can shift it. And shifting is the key. And you have to know how to shift also. So today all I wanted to tell you, have the awareness of emotionally how you're feeling, and that is the most important. How are you feeling emotionally? What your emotions telling you? And that is what is happening in your subconscious mind. That is what you are attracting all the time. Whatever is happening, as how you feeling as emotionally, as emotions. That need to watch it, and that needs to change it. Until that is not going to change, nothing going to change. So that is the most important, to change your emotions and change your how you're feeling. So today all I want to talk about the vibration. That is a vibration level of frequency. We attract everything. If you're on a very emotional level and you're not feeling good about yourself, you're feeling um like low or up and down as a roller coaster, and definitely you're going to attract things according to that. So all I wanted to say, watch your emotion, how you're feeling, that needs to change as a lower vibration. Otherwise, nothing going to change. You're going to attract all the time according to your vibration. So all you have to change your emotions and feelings as a lower vibration. That's all I wanted to talk about today and have the awareness. Most of the time, we're not even aware of it, and we're just trying to gather the information. We're trying to do this, do that, and trying to change it. Nothing is changing. Even intellectually, we have so much information consciously, but subconsciously, nothing changing. So to change that, you have to impress the information you want, and according to that, and the emotion, you need to change the emotions and the feelings according to your goals. So that's all I wanted to share with you today, to have the awareness of your vibration emotionally, how you're feeling. And I think that's all for today. And if you like the YouTube, please subscribe and give a thumbs up, and leave your comments. Comments are important for me because I'm improving also. I'm working around my goals just like you. And so we are all working around the goals, and I'm changing every single day, even though my emotions goes like a roller coaster. But then again, I'm aware of my emotions, and then I quickly switch it. I start to read something, I start to watch something, I start to do my gratitude, or yeah, you have to take the action. This is the only way to impress what you want in your subconscious mind. Thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day. Your homework is today, you have to watch your emotion, how you're feeling. That needs to change. If you're not going to change it, nothing going to change. Your vibration not going to change. Your energy level of frequency not going to change. Thank you for watching the YouTube, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.